Truth knows no color. That's a powerful statement.
Here's a full-length essay, approx. 1,100 words, on the topic, Truth Knows No Color.
Truth is the universal constant that transcends all human distinctions. It is pure, unaltered, and eternal. No matter how people may try to obscure or distort it, truth remains independent of bias, opinion, or identity. When we say, truth knows no color, we affirm the principle that truth exists beyond the superficial differences that often divide humanity. It does not discriminate between races, nationalities, or social classes. It belongs to no one group and favors none. In a world where prejudice and inequality persist, this statement serves as a moral compass, reminding us that integrity, honesty, and justice cannot be bound by color, culture, or creed.
The nature of truth.
Truth, by its very nature, is absolute and impartial. It is not shaped by perception or preference, rather, it exists as an objective reality that endures even when people refuse to acknowledge it. Philosophers since ancient times have pondered the essence of truth, but one consensus remains. Truth does not bend to human desire. It stands apart from emotion, social status, or appearance. Whether spoken by a child or a scholar, by the rich or the poor, truth remains equally valid. When viewed through this lens, truth knows no color, becomes a declaration that truth belongs to all, and that no human being has a monopoly on it. In human societies, however, truth has often been manipulated or suppressed to serve the interests of the powerful. History is filled with moments when truth was silenced because it challenged systems built on inequality and injustice. Yet, even in those times, truth remained unchanged. It may have been hidden temporarily, but it could not be destroyed. The courage of those who stood for truth, regardless of the color of their skin, reminds us that truth is a force that transcends human prejudice.
Truth and the struggle against racial prejudice.
The phrase, truth knows no color, carries particular significance in the context of racial inequality. For centuries, humanity has been divided by color lines drawn by ignorance and fear. Racial prejudice has led to oppression, violence, and systemic injustice. In such an environment, the truth often becomes distorted, with one race claiming superiority over another, or with history rewritten to justify exploitation. Yet, truth itself has always contradicted these lies. Science, reason, and moral conscience all reveal that race is a social construct, not a biological truth. Beneath the skin, all human beings share the same essence, the same capacity for thought, emotion, and virtue. Throughout history, individuals of all races have risen to speak truth to power, often at great personal risk. Martin Luther King Jr., Mahatma Gandhi, Nelson Mandela, and countless others fought to reveal the truth that justice and equality are universal human rights. Their voices, though emerging from different cultural and racial contexts, were united by one shared truth, that humanity cannot flourish when divided by hatred and discrimination. Their message embodied the idea that truth has no color, that what is right and just remains so, no matter who proclaims it.
Truth and justice.
Truth and justice are inseparable. For justice to exist, it must be grounded in truth. However, when prejudice and discrimination infiltrate institutions of justice, truth becomes distorted. History bears witness to countless cases where truth was ignored or manipulated because of race, where people of color were denied justice simply because of the color of their skin. Yet, each such instance stands as evidence of humanity's failure to live by the principle that truth knows no color. True justice demands impartiality. A fair court, a responsible government, or an ethical society must base its decisions on evidence and truth, not on race, wealth, or status. When truth is allowed to speak freely, without the interference of bias, justice naturally follows. But when society allows color to determine credibility, innocence, or worth, it violates both truth and justice. To say, truth knows no color, is therefore a call to fairness. An insistence that truth must never be silenced or reshaped to fit racial or social hierarchies.
Truth in a diverse world.
In today's globalized and multicultural world, the idea that truth transcends color is more important than ever. The modern world is interconnected through technology, communication, and shared challenges. Yet, racial and cultural prejudices still persist, sometimes subtly, sometimes openly. Media narratives, social stereotypes, and political agendas often distort truth for the sake of division. In such a landscape, holding firmly to the principle that truth knows no color becomes an act of resistance. To embrace this principle means recognizing that wisdom and integrity exist in every culture, and that truth may emerge from unexpected places. A scientific discovery in Asia, a philosophical idea from Africa, a moral teaching from the Americas, all contribute to the collective truth of humanity. Truth, therefore, cannot be confined within geographical or racial boundaries. It belongs to all people who seek it with sincerity and humility.
The personal dimension of truth.
Beyond politics and society, truth knows no color, also speaks to the individual conscience. Each person has the responsibility to seek truth within themselves, to live honestly, and to treat others justly. When individuals free their minds from prejudice, they allow truth to guide their actions. Seeing others as equals, regardless of skin color, is a direct expression of truth in everyday life. Personal integrity is not measured by color but by character. A person's honesty, kindness, and sense of justice arise from the soul, not from the skin. To live truthfully means to recognize the shared humanity that binds all people. It means listening with empathy, judging fairly, and acting with compassion. When individuals practice this in their daily lives, they become living examples of the truth that knows no color.
The enduring power of truth.
Though lies and prejudice may persist for a time, truth has a way of revealing itself. History shows that oppressive systems built on falsehood eventually crumble. The truth of human equality, for instance, has triumphed over centuries of slavery, colonialism, and segregation. Every step toward justice, every movement for civil rights or human rights, has been powered by the conviction that truth stands above color, culture, or circumstance. Truth, therefore, is both timeless and transformative. It unites people across divides and reminds humanity of its shared destiny. It cannot be confined by skin, silenced by power, or erased by hate. Like light, it illuminates all who seek it, equally and without discrimination.
Conclusion.
Truth knows no color is more than a statement, it is a vision for humanity. It challenges individuals and societies to rise above prejudice and to recognize that truth belongs to everyone. In the face of injustice, it calls for courage. In the presence of diversity, it calls for understanding. And in a world often divided by race and ideology, it calls for unity through honesty and compassion. To live by this truth is to affirm the equality of all human beings, to build a society where justice is blind to color, where truth is not manipulated by bias, and where every voice can be heard without discrimination. The world will know peace and progress only when it learns to see truth not through the eyes of race, but through the heart of humanity. For indeed, truth knows no color. It only knows integrity, and those who live by it. Thank you.